Ready to amplify your DeFi game and channel your crypto from Phantom wallet into the Photon realm? Alright, first things first. Ensure your Phantom wallet is unlocked and you have the Solana Sol or other tokens you want to deposit ready to go. Double check that balance, friends, because we're blasting off. Next, navigate your browser to the Photon platform website. Look for a prominent Connect Wallet button, usually near the top right or center of the page. Click that bad boy. A Phantom wallet window will pop up, requesting permission to connect to Photon. Review the site's permissions carefully, and if everything looks good, click Connect. Now, within Photon, find the deposit section, select the specific token you want to move from Phantom, enter the amount you want to deposit in the input field. Review all the deposit details meticulously. Make sure you've selected the correct token and amount, then smash that confirm deposit button. Phantom wallet will reappear, asking you to authorize the transaction. Analyze the transaction details, especially gas fees. If applicable, once satisfied, hit approve. Congratulations! You should see a confirmation message on Photon indicating your deposit was successful. You can usually track the transaction on a Solana Explorer like Sols. Can now get out there and explore Photon.